Welcome back, fellow digital enthusiasts. Today, we dive into the world of search engine optimization, SEO, and discover the secret to boosting your website's visibility. In this video, we'll equip you with the necessary tools and strategies to master SEO and propel your website to the top of search engine rankings. So, let's get started. 1. The importance of SEO. Before we delve into the intricacies of SEO, let's first understand why it's crucial for your website's success. In this digital age, search engines have become the gateway to the online world. Whether it's Google, Bing, or Yahoo, people rely on search engines to find information, products, and services. Picture this. You have an amazing website with outstanding content and offerings, but without proper SEO, it remains hidden in the depths of search engine results. By optimizing your website for search engines, you increase its visibility, attract organic traffic, and ultimately drive more conversions. Now, let's move on to the fundamentals of SEO. 2. Keywords, the foundation of SEO. Keywords are the foundation of SEO. They are the words or phrases people use when searching for specific information. Properly incorporating relevant keywords into your website's content can significantly boost its visibility. But hold on, it's not just about stuffing your content with keywords. Google and other search engines have become smarter in understanding user intent. It's crucial to create high-quality content that aligns with user needs and interests. Keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Moz Keyword Explorer can help identify relevant keywords for your website. Once you've identified the right keywords, strategically place them in your page titles, headings, meta descriptions, and throughout the content. This will send strong signals to search engines that your content is highly relevant to user searches. 3. On-page optimization. On-page optimization involves optimizing various elements on your web pages to improve their search engine rankings. Let's explore a few key elements. Firstly, make sure your website has a clean and user-friendly URL structure. Use descriptive URLs that include relevant keywords instead of generic ones. Secondly, optimize your page titles and meta descriptions. These elements appear in search engine results and greatly influence click-through rates. Craft compelling and concise titles and descriptions that entice users to click on your link. Thirdly, optimize your website's loading speed. Users expect a fast and seamless browsing experience, and search engines take loading speed into account when ranking websites. Compress images, minify CSS and JavaScript files, and leverage browser caching to improve your website's loading time. 4. Off-page optimization. Off-page optimization refers to activities that are performed outside your website to improve its search engine rankings. The most significant off-page factor is building high-quality backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites that point to yours. When reputable websites link to your content, search engines perceive it as a vote of confidence, indicating that your content is valuable. However, not all backlinks are created equal. Aim for backlinks from authoritative websites in your industry to maximize their impact. Engage in ethical link-building practices like guest blogging, influencer collaborations, and content promotion to acquire valuable backlinks. Remember, quality always triumphs over quantity in the world of backlinks. 5. Mobile optimization. In today's mobile-centric world, optimizing your website for mobile devices is no longer an option, it's a necessity. Mobile optimization ensures that your website is responsive, fast, and provides an optimal user experience across various mobile devices. Design your website with a responsive layout that adapts to different screen sizes. Optimize images and use CSS media queries to ensure proper rendering on mobile devices. Additionally, leverage accelerated mobile pages, AMP, to create lightning-fast mobile experiences. 6. Content marketing and SEO. Great content and SEO go hand in hand. Content marketing not only drives engagement and conversions but also plays a crucial role in SEO success. Develop a content strategy that focuses on creating high-quality, informative, and engaging content. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally within your content to optimize it for search engines. Additionally, leverage different content formats such as blog posts, videos, infographics, and podcasts to appeal to a wider audience. Promote your content through various channels like social media, email marketing, and influencer collaborations to increase its visibility and attract more backlinks. Remember, creating exceptional content is just the first step. Promoting it effectively is equally important. And there you have it, folks. By mastering SEO, you can significantly boost your website's visibility and increase organic traffic. Remember to focus on keyword optimization, both on page and off-page elements, mobile optimization, and combine it with a robust content marketing strategy. SEO is an ongoing process, so keep analyzing your website's performance, adapting to algorithm updates, and refining your strategies. With perseverance and consistent efforts, you'll witness your website soaring high in search engine rankings. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow digital enthusiasts. And, as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on digital marketing. Until next time, happy optimizing.